Asus has been doing a lot of great stuff in terms of design for their laptops. The Zephyrus G14, for example, the Anime Matrix screen, that was innovative. Today we have for you the Asus ROG Zephyrus 15 Duo. Now this is a 15-inch gaming laptop, but that is not all. This has something really special for you. Welcome to Business World. I'm your host Siddharth, and on today's edition of BW Gadgets, we are going to take a first look at Asus ROG Zephyrus 15 Duo. Now the gaming laptop segment has not seen much of a redesign in years. We've seen bigger screens, we've seen bigger batteries, bigger processor, bigger graphics card, but in terms of design, it is the same old design. Not anymore though. The Asus Zephyrus Duo 15 is actually taking this forward with a secondary screen. And this is just not a gimmicky screen which you can occasionally use. This screen actually enables a lot of multitasking features. Now the Zephyrus Duo 15 is just not targeted at the gamers, it is also targeted at the content creators and the streamers, because the extra real estate that you get with the secondary screen is just really meaningful in terms of multitasking, in terms of streaming, in terms of even video editing. So the chassis of the device is made of aluminum and magnesium alloy, feels really rigid, feels really strong and premium. The biggest party trick of this laptop is the secondary screen that it comes with. This screen lifts up 13 degrees to give you a better viewing angle. Both the screens come with matte textures, so there is no glare. Now Asus has also implemented an active aerodynamic cooling system behind the screen. So the screen that lifts up actually makes space for ample cooling behind the screen. And this laptop runs cooler comparatively to its competition. There are also two speakers behind this screen, and which gives out a very good full range audio to this laptop. Coming to the port selection that is available in this laptop. Now this laptop is targeted at the gamers, at the content creators, and also at the multitaskers. So Asus has not left out any number of ports here. You get multiple ports here. So on the left hand side you get a power port connector. Along with that you get a separate individual jacks for mic and headset. On the right hand side you get two USB 3.2 generation 1 type A ports, and along with that you get a type C port which is also Thunderbolt 3, which also supports power charge 3.0, and this is also a display port. But that's not all. There are ports available at the back of this device, which is superb. So this device has HDMI 2.1 at the back, also a LAN port, and also a USB 3.2 generation 2 type A port at the back. This device can also connect to multiple monitors, and that can be easily done either through the display port here or from the HDMI port at the back. So coming to the screens available here. So now, apart from the secondary screen, the ScreenPad Plus, you can get this laptop in two screen resolutions and configurations. So we have the 1080p 300Hz panel here on this particular unit, but you can have this in a 4K 60 Hz panel as well. If you're a gamer, you should look at the 1080p panel because it has a very high refresh rate of 300 Hz. Both the screens are Pantone validated, so if you are into content creation, be rest assured your colors are going to be very accurate. Coming to the hardcore specs of this device, you can get this device with Intel Core i9 10th generation, or you can get this with the Intel iCore 7. This particular unit is the iCore 7 10875 processor. This is a 8-core processor. Along with this, you can get this laptop with two graphic card options from NVIDIA, the 2080 Supermax Q and the 2070 Supermax Q. Both come with 8 GB of video RAM. Coming to RAM and storage, this particular unit comes here with 32 GB of 3200 MHz RAM, and you can also upgrade this to 48 GB. This is totally upgradable. The storage options here are multiple. It comes with two slots of NVMe M.2 storage. This unit here comes with 1 TB of SSD storage. There is also Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 available on this laptop. Now let's talk about the cool features of this laptop, which is the ScreenPad Plus, which is the secondary screen. Now the secondary screen is kind of revolutionary. I've seen a lot of interestingly designed laptops, but this particular implementation here is really nice. Why? If you're a streamer and you're using OBS to stream, you can easily switch your OBS down here and play your game on the top screen. If you are a content creator, if you are trying to edit a video, you can easily have your bin here full of videos and content, and you can have your timeline on the top screen. So there is a lot of permutations and combinations available with these two screens. If you are into multitasking, you can easily have multiple apps running on the main screen and some of your other apps which you really need to have it in front running on the secondary screen. If you are using this for gaming, of course you can have the game running on the bigger screen, while Twitch or any other streaming service or chatting service running on the lower screens. Now the reviewers box is different. We got a huge box. Inside the box we got a bag. We also got a webcam, because this particular unit doesn't come with a webcam. This particular webcam is a 1080p autofocus webcam. It also has a tripod mount, and you can easily stick it onto anywhere inside on the laptop. Apart from that, you can, since it has a tripod mount, you can even mount it on the side. It works really well. Apart from the webcam, you also get this awesome ROG headphones, which is RGB, and these are USB-C headphones. This also comes with a detachable mic for your gaming adventures. Now one thing I wanted to talk about is a little bit of negatives that this device has. Firstly, it's kind of heavy, so it will be a little difficult for you to travel with it. Secondly, the keyboard here is a little compact, and there is no palm support at all. But at the same time, the keys here are very good. They have 1.4 mm of travel, and each key is an individual RGB key. Apart from that, the Asus RGB lighting is just on point. It has a lot of features and a lot of lighting combinations to keep you entertained. And also the trackpad is shifted towards the right, and this trackpad, if you press here, turns into a numeric pad, which is a really great implementation. I really like the RGB lighting on this laptop. It is really premium. It really works well. The keyboard feel here is excellent. Only thing is there is no palm support. While using this laptop for video editing, we faced no heating problems. We've edited 4K videos on this, half an hour. Even rendering on this laptop is pretty fast. Having a screen that lifts up every time you open the device actually raises some question on durability. But we feel the build quality of this laptop is really on point, and even if this particular screen can take quite amount of weight on it, although since this is a very expensive laptop, any buyer would not be putting any sort of weight on this. But in case you do, the screen can actually take it. There is no screen shake, there is no flex to the laptop whatsoever. And in terms of our usage, we never found the laptop lagging or stuttering in any of our usage cases. We have also played some games on this. I've mostly used it for Photoshop and video editing and a bit of streaming, and this has been a pleasure to use. So if you're a content creator, if you are a streamer, and of course if you're a gamer, do check out the Zephyrus Duo 15. This particular unit here comes for 2,79,000 rupees. There is an i9 variant as well that will be a slightly more expensive. That unit comes with 2080 RDX GPU. So that was our first look at the Asus Zephyrus Duo 15. These sort of innovative designs coming from companies is a great move. Asus has definitely taken the game forward. We expect other manufacturers to follow suit. If you like such content, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions for Asus, do leave it in the comments below. If you're watching this on our website, do send us an email or reach us out on Twitter. Do check out our website for the full review of the Zephyrus Duo 15. This is your host, Siddharth, signing off. Stay home, stay safe.